Hello, I'm Cidália from Lisbon, Portugal, and I will begin my presentation for Business 398 Advanced Internship. The expectations for this internship and class performing the roles passionately and in a team is, in my view, an essential prerequisite for success. It was because I recognized these values that I accepted this challenge that was proposed to me in internship. My expectations were to contribute to the success of the same, not only with my experience in the commercial function, but also giving my contribution in all the areas that I went through, and where I believe I can bring some added value. Although I have some experience in the role I have played, and in others I have learned techniques and responsibilities of a different nature. Since constant learning motivates me, I am sure that these skills will add value to my future in today's company. I work as a full-time worker and another that may come to work. In fact, experience like this define us, refine us, and prepare us for something better and higher in the future. Like Shakespeare said, expectations the root of all hard times. Shakespeare said, I always feel happy. Do you know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone. I appreciate the time and love my internship and the organization I worked for. I worked for Próximo Agro S.A. Batalha, Portugal, in the National Port Operations Department of Distribution, Recruitment, Orientation and Placement of Personnel in turn. I started my application process in March of 2017. I had a Skype interview with the Human Resource Manager around the beginning of June 2017. The interview took about 35 minutes and they asked the questions regarding my actual responsibilities in Toyota and what kind of classes in BYU I held that could be a good resource and applicable in their business. They asked about examples of my daily tasks, challenges, projects, and goals inside the company. Around the beginning of July, I was contacted by the Human Resource Manager once again, which offered me this internship. I filled some requests and I gave my business certificate and official academic transcript. My first day of work was January 8, 2018, and I have been working hard and with all my efforts ever since. I want to become a better professional. My goals improve myself. The goals and skills I gained from this experience were a better knowledge in the development of relationships with employees of departments and to be an important link and a mediator in the relationships between them. In my current activity, I coordinate and train automobile sales teams, so it is an application of knowledge and learning to other levels of improving the techniques of communication between departments. One of my goals was to be able to gain real work experience and knowledge that will be beneficial in my current company and for future positions in my company after my graduation. I improved my resume and demonstrated my skills while working in Próximo Agro S.A. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. Nothing is impossible, so effort and personal commitment with integrity and humility component will bring personal and professional success. Knowledge is valuable in this life and in the life to come. Keep going.